Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. So in a previous video, I did a small haul from Amazon and I said that, it comes in small parts. So I'm just here to share the rest of my haul because, if I don't film it as I get it, I will forget to film. And then, it's not good. It's not good at all. So anyway, here is the first envelope. And I love how Amazon puts your trash. They put your trash, in case you need it, in your envelope. So anyway, I did pick up last month, or was it March? March release, part of it. This was the kite die set from Crafty. And let's see. Oh my gosh, I've seen the projects and they're so pretty. So let me get my little clipper here because I will cut myself real good. And it just goes flying away. Just make sure I don't have sharp points. Okay, anyway, so here is the layering piece for the kite. This is the base. This one in here is the, oh no, it's another layering piece. And the one with the detail is the base. So there you go. Very cute. And you get the words look up and journey. Yep, very cute. You also get a butterfly body. Here it is. This is the butterfly. It's a really pretty butterfly. I like that. And then you get bows for the tail for your kite. So that is cute. I'm excited for that. Yeah, so I'm picking up a bunch of these, but you guys, I will be moving soon. And part of this is when we move, I won't be hauling anything because, you know how that goes. So it's going to take me a while to get situated in my craft room when I do finally get to where we're going. And yeah, so... oh, yay, the butterflies. I got the butterfly. This is the pretty butterfly, layered butterfly. Oh, why can't I open this thing? Because they put a lot of tape on it. Okay. This, like I said, is just last month's release, I think. Yeah, the butterfly is so pretty. You got a little body, you got the back. You got the layered wings, and then you have the in-between layers. It's really pretty. Can't wait to play with this. I've seen projects with this already, so I'm excited. That's gonna go really good with the Maggie Holmes. Butterflies and bees, Okay, so that was one envelope. This is the second one. And, yeah. Oh my gosh. If I could get it open. Get it open. This is all in one order, guys. So this is, yay! Spill it all over the place. This is my AliExpress order. And this is the same butterfly. Let's see what I tell you. Don't order from Amazon and AliExpress at the same time. I just saw Eve playing with this little die set. It is the banner, butterfly banner. Really cute. I like that. I like it a lot. And this is what they look like. It comes with the layered butterfly pieces, so you can add on. So 3 sizes of butterflies on this banner. Really cute. I love that. So kind of sad that this is in these really, I don't know. Anyway, this is the April release. Oh my gosh, it's in my hands. Thank you, Hannah. So guys, I said this before. Follow Hannah on YouTube because she does her releases. She does a YouTube video of the upcoming release, and on that video there is a link in the description box And you could get the release as a bundle for a much more affordable price. Yes, this is the box making die set. So you get 3 sizes. So if you make a box, it'd be 3 different widths. So 1, 2, 3. What is the largest one? Let me see. This one would be about under 3 inches. So 2 7/8. And the smallest would be about 1 3/4. Very nice. I like that. And 2 1/2. So a really good die set to have in your arsenal. So this would make a third one, but this is like 12 inches long. So that is great. I like that. Not 12. Take it back. Take it back, Eileen. Take it back. It is about 10 1/2. So 10 1/2 inches long. That's not bad because it will run through your regular die cutting machine, or if you have the long platform. So this is the Disney inspired ice cream popsicle sticks. You know, this is the small. You get 2 sizes, the small one and the large, or like Tony would say, the mama and the baby. And I think you can make it into shakers. I think you can. Yeah, you can make it into a shaker. You can make anything into a shaker, actually. But so there's that. These are her Disney words. It's princess, rides, castle. Yeah, anyway. You get all these words. I can't find the opening. That's what's taking me forever. I don't like these bags. I like those. So, and yes, everybody told me you can buy your own bags, Eileen. I don't wanna. Oh, if it comes with it, when I buy it, I don't have to buy the bags. You know, but anyway, I don't change my storage. I just keep it all together. So this one's Princess Rides and Castle, and you get the shadow with it. And then this one is Magic, Happiest, and Place. And I love the new font. Good job, whoever chose this font. Super cute. And if you're wondering, I'm cutting off these pokey things because I don't want to cut myself. All right, so those are the words. This is the release. This is the April release. This is the shaker one. I'm not going to take it out. This is shaker one. You get the little swirly piece. That's really cute touch. This one is another set of words. You get smile, magic, cheers. Oh no, this is the flag. Yes! You get the addition for this. It's just an addition to the banner set that she's got going on already. It's a series. And then you get the little mini, the small Mickey head. It looks like a hat right there. Isn't that cute? I love the detail on this one. Very cute. Dream and hooray. And you don't have to use the words with just the flag. You know, you could put these on other projects. So yeah, I'm trying to rush because I have a lot to do. But I also have to record it. So anywho, there you go. Get these off. This also causes rips in the bag itself, so best to just cut them off. I love that one. You guys have already seen these from the die releases from everybody in the design teams. This little birdie, I called it the Disney little bird. Oh my gosh, so cute. This will go cute with the Maggie Holmes also. Butterflies, bees, and birds. Now this one is just a mom and dad for like Mother's Day, Father's Day. It's a little shaker sentiment. You get mom and you get dad, and they're both shaker pieces. So there you go. I'm excited for this one. This one is the bag topper. It says Magical Times. And I love how that came out. So I'm excited for this. Oh, this one. Oh my goodness. These are the bows and the layering piece, and then you got the Mickey heads and the layering piece, and then they also have these microscopic little bows. You could take those bows and put them right on the Mickey heads, and they become mini heads. And then you have the little hand, the glove, and then you have the layering pieces. Now, you can also take these pieces, the layering pieces, and use them as shaker bits. Oh my God. Love it. I love it. These are flower plates. Oh my gosh, I'm excited to see. You got 2 sizes, I think. Yeah, 2 sizes. Oh, I'm excited. I'm excited. I saw some of the flowers that she put together. I don't remember what this one was called, but I always want to play with the flower dies, and then I end up not making flowers. This is the castle box. Now, it makes it into a square, but if you're, you know, excited about this one, and you can make it into whatever, because you could just keep on cutting however many pieces and make it into a bigger box. That's exciting. There's another piece, or not another piece, but another die set that is an addition to this. It's really cute. Anyways, here are the Mickey inspired bows. I'm so excited. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Anyway, I don't know, does it cut this little piece out? I don't remember. But if it does, oh, it don't matter, because you could cover that little piece right there. It's so cute. This is a small bow, the bow set, and then he has the small bow tails for it. Right there. And you can add layers. You can either use this one with the detail with the Mickey heads, or you could use this to layer behind it so that you got color behind there, and then it'll show up even more. And then here's the tails. You could cut them, or you could use them all together. Oh, so exciting. This one has a lot of sharp edges. Oh my gosh. Lots of sharp edges. Okay. And then you have the large, and it's the same. All the same as the small. Let me just put it back in. Oh, where was this when I was making stuff for Ebony and Louisa and Eve? Anyway, and here is the other castle. You get the doors, the windows, the turret right here. And then you have another option for another window. And this one makes a rectangle box. So let me show you. I would put these 2 die sets together. Not in the same bag, but at least put them together. Here, see though, these will make your boxes. So you cut 2 of these. This is a really sharp point right there. Just cut these off. Okay, I'm excited. I'm excited. And also, Meliza, everybody, the first part of the year, I was trying to, you know, make some Disney stuff. But, you know, if I had it, I would have made it. Oh, my gosh, I didn't realize this is part of the bundle set. It is the die and stamp set. And it's got the little birdie. So this one, whoops. This one is the die set. This is smaller. It's a smaller set than the first one I showed you. Or are they? No, actually, it's pretty much the same. Oh, it's pretty close. Yeah. Anyways, but that's cool. This is a set for this one. It has the branches. I love this. Oh my God. If I can figure it out. There we go. So you stamp the branch and you got the matching dies. There it is. And these will fit right there. How cute. Oh yeah, we got to play with that. That is cute. Anyway, also I want to stick this bird set in here also, because most likely I will use them both together. This is the Big Mama Jamma. It is the large book that you can turn into a mini album. And I'll try to link Hannah down below because she shared, I just watched her share her project share. It's gorgeous. So you have this little oval window with a frame, with the bow details, and it says baby album, but you don't have to use it just for baby album. You have the binding die here that you could use to make your book into an album. Add your rings to it. This is the oval layering piece. Then here is the large piece for the book and all the words. It says happily story after family ever and hour. So you can make so many titles with just those words. How awesome. I love this. I love this release. Love it, love it, love it. And then this is your book end. Girl, if I can get it right. There we go. Yeah, like that. It's your faux binding. But it just becomes part of your book. Guys, I know. Go check out KS Crafts _ Hannah, because she has shared her release of these gorgeous projects using her dies. So beautiful. So, okay, this is it for my haulage, I think. It's time to get busy crafting with this stuff because it's all so cute. Oh my gosh. I started this year with like barely any Disney stuff. And the last time I purchased any Disney stuff, it was through AliExpress. And it was KS Crafts also. So yeah, there you go. There you have it. Hope you guys had fun. Go check out Hannah. Remember to follow her because she does do those releases with the discount code for the bundle set. I'm just going to leave all of this together, and then this one I'm going to leave out. All right, guys. Thank you all for watching. If you're new here, welcome. Please hit the subscribe button and join our little crafty family. And while you're at it, hit the notification bell. That will let you know when I load a new video like this or when I go live on my channel. Thank you again, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.